Hello everyone, and this is Lucy, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on Windows 11. So first what we need to do is go to Control Panel, and here at the top right corner select large icons so you can see the sound icon. Double click on it and it will open this window. In this window, you will be shown all the sound devices connected to your PC. Check if the sound device you're using is in default or not. Set it as default, and also make sure that this device uses is enabled, and click on apply, then OK. So you will need to double click on it again and go to spatial sound. Here you will see this option. Make sure it's turned off. If these doesn't work either, then go to device manager. Here search for sound, video, and game controllers. If you click on this arrow right here, you will see these options. These are all the sound devices that were connected to your device once. So you will need to go to your initial sound audio device, and this is my actual audio device. So I will just right click on it and click on uninstall device. After that, restart your computer. If this doesn't work, there is a last method, which is going to services. So here you will need to search for Windows Audio, and you will see this option. Click on properties and make sure it's on automatic. If it's not running, you're in the service status, then click on start, then apply, then OK. These are all the fixes you will need to do in order to fix this problem. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.